a short a term which is called MOQ. Here you can see in front of every listing it's MOQ 2 pieces, MOQ 2 pieces. So MOQ basically means minimum order quantity. So the supplier has mentioned that their minimum order quantity, the order you can place with them, minimum is 2 pieces. So your order should be above 2 pieces somehow. So you will find some suppliers that will be having order above 1000, or like their MOQ must be maybe 1000. So here you can see the MOQ is 100 pieces. Here the MOQ minimum order quantity the supplier accepting is 1000, and you can come down and check. So this was a short video about MOQ, which is minimum order quantity. So the supplier, if you are dealing with any supplier and if it's having a minimum order quantity of 1000, so you should keep your order above 1000, and you should not tell them that I am having an order of 500. So they might not give you that much attention and even may not reply you. So you should keep your query that you send them inside like according to their MOQ.